Hello everybody, so it is the time of this semester where we are going to be doing dissections. So for our dissections, you have the option of doing them at home. So if you are to do them at home, you have a couple rules. First of all, you have to arrange to come to campus to pick up your dissection specimens, okay? The dissection specimens are your responsibility. Please be aware that completing a dissection is worth points, okay? This isn't optional. You need to do the dissection. Now you have the option of doing the dissection together in lab. That's totally open to you. But if you're unable to, or it's not going to be something you're comfortable with, that's okay. But what does it mean to be someone who's doing it at home? First of all, you will take the specimen, as I said, you pick it up from campus, and you will need to make a video of yourself doing the dissection, okay? So first thing you need to show in the video is your beautiful face. Your beautiful face needs to be wearing safety glasses or safety goggles, and you need to be wearing gloves, okay? I already sent out a message to you guys asking you what size of gloves you want, small, medium, or large, and depending on what you chose, that a bag of those gloves will be in your box of dissected specimens. Now, it says on your syllabus, one of the required materials is a dissection kit. So you need to purchase a dissection kit on your own. The dissection kit, it needs to have a few things in it, including a scalpel, scissors, tweezers, and a probe. Okay, I'll show you guys all of those items in just a moment, all right? But essentially you have to have those. So your video is gonna start with your beautiful face wearing appropriate goggles or glasses. You're going to show that you are wearing gloves. Then you are going to show that you have all the appropriate dissection kit items in the video, okay? After you have done that, the video can switch, or if you need to, you can make a second video of the actual dissection. So the camera needs to be down on the dissected specimen, and you don't need to show me the cutting part. You do, however, need to show me all of the terms that are on your paper. Okay, so your lab sheet for the dissection has all of the terms. You need to use your probe to point to all of them. You're going to be getting points just for doing the video, for following all the directions and having the correct things in your video, like your goggles and all of that stuff. And you're going to get points for pointing out the correct structures, okay? So all of those together is going to be your grade for the dissection, okay? So that is that on the directions there. I'm going to go ahead and show you a dissection kit in just a moment. Okay guys, so essentially we're looking at a couple different dissection kits here. Now, the bookstore is supposed to stock dissection kits. You can call the bookstore and purchase one from them, or you can just purchase one from Amazon. It does not matter. It just needs to make sure it has a few common things. So you can see that there's a huge difference between this kit and this kit. This kit has quite a bit more in it, but both of them have all of the essentials. So you need to make sure that you have tweezers, you have scissors, you have a probe, and you need some sort of scalpel. So this one comes with two different types of scalpels and a couple different scalpel blades, okay? Essentially this is a bigger kit because there is two of everything, okay? There's also a little magnifying glass so that you can see some of the structures better, which may or may not be helpful. But essentially that's one type of kit. This kit here, a lot of the same stuff. We have some scissors, we have a probe, we have tweezers, and actually they have 3 pairs of tweezers in different sizes here, and there is a scalpel. There's only one scalpel with one blade. But in all cases, these things should not cost too much, probably under $20 in most cases, but you can pick them up wherever you can. I don't have any particular preference. Nobody's given me kickbacks, okay? But essentially, you need to ensure you have it because, as I said, you have to show your dissection kit as part of your video to get points. Okay, so that is it for our directions for home dissections. Of course, if you are coming to do dissections in lab, you will still need to bring a dissection kit, but you will not need to create a video. All right, see you soon.